Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will be discussing about introduction to swing classes and controls in Java. So let's start the session introduction to swing classes and controls. At the end of the session, you will be able to learn about the introduction to swing classes and controls in Java. So let's start firstly with Java swing. As we know that whenever it comes to create an application which is a window based, or we can say that operating system based application, and which will be having the GUI, that is graphical user interface, then we can use a particular tool or a particular API in Java which is known as AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit. So basically, Java Swing is a foundation class library and also an extension to that AWT, that is Abstract Window Tool. Java Swings offer much improved functionality as compared to that of AWT. So in short, we can say that we can create GUI based applications or operating system based applications by the help of AWT as well as Java Swing classes or Java Swing libraries. But Java Swing libraries and classes provides improved functionality as compared to that of AWT. New components, expanded component features, and excellent event handling with a drag and drop support is there in Java Swing, which is not present in Java AWT. Also, as AWT was a heavyweight process, it is a lightweight component that are not only easy to use but also can be customizable. Also, some of the commonly used components in Java Swing buttons, text fields, labels, menus, and many more. In AWT, we were having the functionality to use buttons, text field, labels, but these are not easy to use and also these were not customizable. But when we talk about Java Swing, so all the components of Java Swing classes are customizable and also lightweight components. Java Swing provides pluggable look and feel that allows developer to customize the GUI according to the user's preference, which was not available in Java AWT. Java Swing also provide a robust event handling mechanism which was not there in Java AWT, which allows developers to handle events generated by the graphical component. This is one of the major advantage of using Java Swing. Now, Java Swing has about 4 times the number of user interface components as AWT and is a part of standard Java distribution. That means it is having 4 times more user interfaces as compared to that of AWT. Now, by today's application GUI requirements, AWT is a limited implementation. Also, not quite capable of providing the components that are required for developing complex GUIs required in modern commercial applications. So, Java Swing is advantage which provides the complex GUI which is required in modern tool application or in modern commercial applications. So the AWT component set has quite few bugs and does take up a lot of system resources. But when we compare the same thing to the Java Swing, so it is equivalent to Swing resources. Netscape introduced its Internet Foundation class, that is IFC library, to use by the Java Swing in Java technology. Its classes become very popular with programmers creating GUIs for commercial applications. Now, Swing is a set of API, that means set of classes and interfaces. When we talk about API, that is application programming interface. So application programming interface means that this is a combination or collection of classes as well as interfaces. Swing is provided to design GUI, that is graphical user interface, and Swing is an extension library to AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit. Now, it includes new and improved components that have been enhancing the looks and functionalities of GUI. Swing can also be used to build the standalone applications. The standalone Swing GUI apps are servlets and applets. So basically, the applet and the servlet class that we have already discussed. So basically, these applet and servlet belongs to the Java Swing class. Because these belongs to the Java, it is why it is feasible to create the web pages which are dynamic in nature. And also it employs model design architecture. Swing is also more portable and more flexible than AWT. The Swing is built on the top of AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit. Also, it is entirely written in Java. Java Swing components are platform independent. This is the most advanced feature which is there in this particular API. When we talk about AWT, then AWT is a platform dependent API. On the other end, Java Swing components are platform independent, and the Swing components are also the lightweight components. Now, let's talk about other features of Java Swing. The very first feature, as we have already discussed, that it is platform independence. Platform independency is one of the biggest feature of Java Swings. It can run on any of the platform which supports Java. Thus, Swing-based applications can run on Windows, Macintosh, Linux, and any other Java-compatible operating system. The next feature of Java Swing is lightweight components. Java Swings provide a set of lightweight components that are easy to use and can also be customized as per the user's requirement. These components are designed to consume less memory and use less processing power, making Swing-based applications run effectively. Next feature of Java Swing is pluggable look and feel. Java Swing provides a pluggable look and feel that will allow developers to customize the appearance of the GUI that has been created according to the preference of the user. Also, developers can choose from several pre-built looks and feel themes to create their own customized themes. Now, next important feature of Java Swing is layout managers. Java Swing provides a set of layout managers that can be used to organize the graphical components on a GUI, that is graphical user interface. These layout managers enable developers to create flexible and responsive GUIs that adapt to different screen size and resolutions. By this particular layout manager, the managers and the layouts become more responsive. That means they becomes more interactive as from the perspective of the users. Now, next feature of Java Swing is robust event handling. Java Swing provides a robust event handling mechanism that will allow the developers to handle events which will be generated by the graphical components. Developers can also register the event listeners so that they can detect and respond to the interactions with the help of the GUI. Now, there are two ways to create a frame in Java Swing. The first way is by the association, that is by creating the object of frame class, and then by extending the frame class, that is by inheritance. Now, we can write the code of Swing inside the main function, constructor, and any another method. There is no limitation to write down the Swing code. Now, let's consider an example to understand the Swing concept. Here, we have imported the java x.swing.asterisk. Now we have used the class first swing example, and here we have used the public static void main, that is the main method. And here we have created the object of Java frame, that is jframe f equals to new frame. And now we have created an instance or an object of button, that is jbutton b equals to new jbutton. Now we have set the axis, width, and height of this particular button. Now we have added this particular button to the frame, that is f.add, and now we have set the size and width, that means the specification of the frame, and then the layout managers as per our choice. But here we are not using the layout manager, that is why we have put the value null over there. Now the important thing that we have to make the frame true. Now, if you remember the AWT programming, then both are the same things. The thing is that Java Swing is provided a vast variety of customizable components as compared to that of AWT. But the way of creating the Swing program is same as the way in which we were creating the programs of AWT applications. As the AWT applications were having three phases, firstly, we will be creating the particular component, then we are providing the specifications, then we will be providing the layout managers if required, and setting the frame true. The same thing we are following in the Java Swing applications. Now, so in this session, we have learned about the introduction to swing classes and controls in Java. So now I hope you are having the clarity that what is Java swing classes and how these are similar to the AWT and what is the difference between the AWT and Java swing classes and what are the advantages of using swing classes over Java AWT. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.